Hey guys, what's going on? It's Mark over here, Dodge Dude KC, and today we're checking out a really cool lifted truck. This one here is a Black Widow, Ram 1500 Black Widow. They come with a lift. The way this truck works is that it goes from Ram to the Fox factory, and then they put all these upfits on it. Since it's direct from the supplier, Ram, to Fox factory, it helps maintain your original towing capacities. It's also going to help maintain all the warranties and everything that comes with the truck, and you get a lot of really cool upgraded stuff. Now, if you were to go buy a Ram half-ton and put a 5 or 6 inch lift similar to this one on it, you would void your powertrain warranty, so you really don't want to do that. So if you're looking to get a lifted truck and still keep the protection, a Black Widow is a definitely really great way to go, and you're able to finance the truck with all the stuff that's already on it. That way you can get a nice, awesome truck that nobody else has. But let's go ahead and check this one out, because these things sell really fast. So they just got here about 2 seconds ago. I just wanted to do a quick walk around video with you guys so you have a chance to see them before they're gone. If you like my content, if you want to see something else I didn't cover in the video today, let me know down in the comments. Thanks a bunch, and let's check out this Black Widow. All right guys, so here it is. It's the Ram Black Widow. They do a ton of things to these. Now this one's a Yeah, so here's the truck, guys, Ram Black Widow. I remember when I first got into the automotive industry about 6 years ago, the first time I ever saw one of these, I actually thought it was a 3/4 ton because they have such a strong and powerful stance. Have two of them here. This one over here on the left is in a forged blue color, absolutely beautiful. And this one over here is obviously white. Really cool. You got 22-inch wheels on these, all-terrain tires. They upgrade the suspension on the truck, so you get the BDS upper and lower knuckles. You get this new coil springs on there as well, and they also do a double knuckle on the steering stabilizer, so it doesn't affect the way the truck drives and corners and everything like that. That's how you're going to maintain your tow capacities with this vehicle, because there's way more than just putting spacers on a truck and lifting it up. That's why you get kind of a wonky turning feeling when you have a lifted truck that's not done properly. So here you can see they have the Ram Black Widow badge on the truck. You got the 22-inch tires. You do have a caliper cover down there on it as well. On the inside of this one, you do have your Black Widow on the inside. You also have the Black Widow stitching on the double cross stitch on the inside here too. They recover the center console with the Black Widow, and then they put the Black Widow badging all throughout the interior as well for you. This one does have a dual panoramic sunroof in it, so you get that additional feature inside the truck, and you also have your all-weather floor mats with the Black Widow logo on them as well. This truck originally was a Bighorn before they did the updates on it, but it's obviously not your average Bighorn anymore. In the back, you got your USB, USB-C, and then they do that beautiful stitch leather all throughout the back of the truck as well. Real genuine leather. And then you got those real truck power running boards, some nice grip on them. You can see you also have your fender flares here. My camera's being a little silly today. You have your fender flares on here as well, and then you have those LED lights, because it's a little bit wider stance to it. And then on the back, for all these new Ram trucks, you got that new look. Has a nice, cool new look to it. The bed's already lined. This has the bed utility group. That's what those rail systems are in the back here. And then you can see the Fox factory logo right over there. Let me go ahead and show you some of the stuff in the driver's seat, and then we'll go check out the other blue one. Like I said, I just wanted to give you all a chance to check these out before they're gone. So right over here, we got this forged blue Black Widow. And on this one, they did a very similar interior, but they used the white cross stitch on the inside. You do have that dual panoramic sunroof on here still. This one came equipped with your Alpine stereo system from the factory. But super cool trucks. Black Widow, if you want a lifted truck, is definitely the way to go. That way you can maintain all your original warranties from your manufacturer. And then the window sticker on this one real quick before we wrap up this little video here is a Bighorn as well. But yeah, those are the Black Widow trucks, guys. They're super cool trucks. Great way to go if you want something that's got some aftermarket stuff on it. It's not gonna mess with your factory warranty. Got 2 of them down here at Molle Dodge. There you go, guys. 2 big, bad, beautiful Black Widow trucks. These are available for sale. So if you're interested in them, my little gimbal, he's a little drunk today. So these are available for sale. So if you want to come down and check them out, go for a test drive, go ahead and leave a comment down below or stop on in and ask for Mark, Dodge Dude KC. That's me. Thanks a ton, and you guys have a great day.